Hello everyone, welcome back again. My name is Jesse, and in this wonderful and exciting tutorial, we're trying to explore a very nice service called Perplexity.ai, which is similar to Bing Chat, similar to Bard.ai, similar to you.com, these are all AI chatbot or AI search engine using GPT, and they're similar to ChatGPT, right? So let's explore this wonderful service called Perplexity.ai, which is very useful. You don't even need to sign up. You can get all the features out of the box. So I can ask you some questions. So I can ask, can you give me, let's say, 12 AI ideas? So AI ideas, right? If I go with this, it's going to search and generate the result for us in a very nice format, right? And the nice thing about this is that it's going to give you the reference where it took it from. So these are the places that it took it from, and there's the answer, and you can see the reference from where it took it from. So if you click on it, it's going to redirect you to the actual reference, right? And then it picks the information from here and then summarizes and gives you the result, which is a very impressive feature, right? You can check if it's accurate. You can view the sources as we saw earlier on. So these are all the different sources from this particular generated result. You can copy to clipboard, and then you can also edit the query. This is useful. You can also see the related result, right? Which you can also check on. The nice thing about this is that you can streamline the particular search you want to search, right? So if I go back again to the popular, you see the popular stuff. I can go to the focus here, and then you can search across the internet. You can search via academic research only. You can search writings, Reddit, YouTube, Wolfram Alpha, or Wikipedia. So in case I want to search for how to use Django serializer, right, contest, right? So let's see. If I go with this, it's going to analyze it, and then it's going to give us the result, right? See that it's giving us in Django REST framework, the context parameter can be used to pass extra context. So it's giving us an example, and this is a code in Python, and this is the result, right? It's giving us an example that you can copy and then try it out. It also gives you the reference where it is picking it from. So if I click on this, you can see that it's picking from here, but not the actual stuff, but where it is gathering the information from. And this is using a different technology to help you get those things. Very cool. And you can see all the references here. And if I go down, you can see that you can check the accuracy. If not accurate, you can give it some feedback. You can also view the sources. It's going to list all the various sources, which is the same thing that was shown here. And then also these ones, right? And you can also copy it. You can also copy it, and you can also edit the query as you have here. So how to use use get serializer contest in Django, something like that. If I go with save, now it's going to give us another result, right? Which is quite interesting, together with a full code that which you can use to learn, which is very useful, right? And you see how it's using it. Very impressive. And you can also see the related, which is going to show you what is related to it, which is very cool. So it's giving you another information about anything that is related to the information above or the question that you asked. Perfect. That is not the only thing. You can also search per the context. So if I go back again to the popular, right, you can see what is trending popularly. The focus here, I can search per YouTube. So let's say I want to get something about, let's say, PyG Walker usage, right? I'm searching on YouTube only. So it's going to go back to YouTube and search it. Said unfortunately the search result do not provide any information, but you can see that it's giving us some information here. So let's try another one. Go back again. Still YouTube. How to use PyG Walker, right, in Python, right, something like that. And now let's see if there is. So it's giving us information about it. It's giving us how to use it, which is quite useful. Wow, that is very, very impressive, right? So you can search across, and it's also giving us very nice, giving us the videos, so you can check the videos out, which is useful, which is very cool, right? So that is something very nice. You can also streamline it according to maybe Wikipedia or Wolfram Alpha, right? Some of them you have to sign up, but most of them you can use without signing up, which is quite useful. So say LLM ideas. So let's see if we're going to get LLM. So we have seen that I'm getting all these 25 LLM ideas, which is very useful and very impressive. Perfect. That is one of the features. There's also an app for it, which is here. If you go to any of the Play Stores, there is a Perplexity.ai app that you can use locally on your app. And there's also a Chrome extension that you can also check and use, right? So with the Chrome extension, if I come back to this website, I can click on the Chrome extension and I can access it across the internet or this domain or this current page, right? So this page is having something about this, so I can ask what is the median salary. So what is the median salary of an AI engineer? So I'm checking this page, right? I want information from this, so let's go and see. It's going to summarize it. Let's see if it's smart enough. Wow, until it's just giving us the same result, right? Which is very, very impressive, right? That is impressive, right? Give us the source. If you click on it, right, which is very impressive. So that is something you can do. You can search across the internet. So in case you're on any page and you want summary, so I can come back here, and then I can also check on this current page. I want to check for, let's say I want to check for something like, yeah, you can check for something. So let's pick something. How do you modify? Okay. How do you create a JSON renderer? Let's see. So we are hoping it's going to pick something from this. See that now it's giving us something very interesting, but it's not picking directly from this place. It is picking from this place, but it's using the LLM, the generative pre-trained transformer, to synthesize and then summarize and give you something very useful, right? Which is quite impressive. So this is a very nice service that I wanted to share with you. I hope you have learned something. So thank you for watching. There is also UChat, right? U.com. There is Bar. There is BenChat. There is ChatGPT, and there is also Perplexity.ai. Very cool. Maybe another time we're going to see if we can use it to do some data analysis or explore data analysis. Thank you for watching. See you another time, and stay blessed. Bye. And one more thing, you can also try the Pro option, right? Which gives you access. You're supposed to sign up, which gives you access to GPT access and some more, right? Which you can check it out. And there's also the AI profile. So the AI profile is also very nice, in which you create your own AI personality, and then it streamlines and customize the search results for you. So that's something I want to share with you. See you another time. Stay blessed.